typical Indian creative, and today I am going to make a drone at home. So now let's see how to make the drone, what components are required for making the drone. So now let's assemble the drone. So here, this is the body of the drone. So now first we have to take this battery, we have to place it here. So like this, as you can see, there is an arrow here on the body. So this means that the top of the battery should come at the front side. Now we have to take the 4 motors, and then here at the body there should be a hole like this. There should be a hole through which we can remove the wire. So as you can see, we have to put the wire like this inside it, and through the hole we can get the wire out. See, like this. And after getting the wire out, we have to just press the motor inside the body so that it fits tight. So here, as you can see, I have fitted all the 4 motors. Now let's take the Pluto controller. Now we have to take this wire, and this is the negative positive of the battery and negative positive of the Pluto controller. We have to carefully connect the positive to positive and negative to negative. The drone. Now take the wires of the drone motor and then insert it inside these 4 columns. Like, take this head of the drone and then we will screw it. So now at the side you can see one switch like this, and also you can see a port here. So what is this port for? So you can use this port for charging the battery. So for charging the battery, you don't have to remove the battery from the drone. What you have to do, take a USB type A USB cable, and then you can charge the drone as you charge your mobile. So what kind of propellers you have to buy? So you have to buy 2 kinds of propellers. The first is propeller A and the second is propeller B. So what is difference between propeller A and B? So here, this is the propeller A, and here you can see written A. So what is difference between propeller A and B? So propeller A helps the drone in taking off, going in forward direction and taking turns, and this is an essential part of the drone. Now what is the work of propeller B? The propeller B helps the drone to land, go in reverse direction and other direction, and both the propellers are important for making the drone fly. So now how to place the A and B propellers on the drone. So here, as you can see, we have made the drone. Now what we have to do to make our drone fly? So we have to go to Play Store and download an app named Pluto controller. So this is the app Pluto controller. So after installing the app, we have to just open the app. So now as you open the app, it shows you Pluto and gives you 3 options, that is fly, build and code. So we have to click on fly. Yes. Now it will show you the controls, and then at the down you can get one option, connect. So now how to connect? So here we have to turn on our drone. Now after the drone is on, we have to click on the button connect, and as you click on the button connect, it takes you to the Wi-Fi settings, and then as you go into the Wi-Fi settings, you have to turn on the Wi-Fi of your mobile, and then you have to connect a Pluto drone pilot. So this is the Wi-Fi, this is the hotspot emitted by your drone, and once you connect that Wi-Fi, as you can see, I have connected the Wi-Fi emitted by the drone, and as you can see,
Pluto connected.
Yes, Pluto is connected. So here, as you can see, option arm. So as I click on the option arm, there comes a button take off, and as you will click on the take off button, then your drone will start flying. So now what is the use of these 2 joysticks? So first joystick, this is used to increase or decrease the height of the drone. This helps in taking the drone to left, right, forward and reverse. So here, once we click on the take off button, you can decide the height at which your drone should fly, and after that you can take it into forward, reverse, left and right. So now let's fly our drone. If you have any doubt regarding this video, then please DM me on my Instagram handle. Link is given in the description box. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.